do this. Why not? There's bugs everywhere. They're coming with me. Hold on. Need some recording already. Okay. See? I hate this. I hate this so much. And I don't want to be here. Yeah, interesting stuff. Interesting stuff. It's not interesting whatsoever. Look, there's a lake over there. Maybe we can go swimming, Kirby. No. Beautiful lake. I don't think that's even a lake. It's a creek and it's not even deep. How do you know that? You've never gone camping here. Neither have you. It doesn't look deep. Yeah, you're right. Oh my gosh, there's a snake. Okay. Blah.